Hey! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi 10 and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. Start by opening settings, now choose themes and click on more. Then click themes at the bottom left corner and tap on the search bar. Type wherever you wish to. Like snow, pick one of those themes by clicking at the chosen one. I want to set up that one, so I will click on it and choose free over here. Then we need to wait and select apply. So now when I click home button, I can see that theme of my device has changed. But if you wish to go back into the default one, you can always do that by going into settings, scrolling down, choosing themes again, but this time selecting my themes. Over here, pick one of those default ones like classic and select apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!